Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WordPress video series. In this video, I'll show you how you can create hero section on your WordPress website. And the best part is that you can use pre-designed templates to create hero section. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website and we will install a free plugin. So let's go to plugins and click on add new plugin. And here search for Depicter. So the name of the plugin is Depicter. This plugin has free as well as premium version. I have already installed the plugin on the WordPress website. This is the plugin Slider and Pop-up Builder by Depicter. Add image slider, carousel slider, exit intent pop-up, pop-up model, coupon pop-up, post slider carousel. Using this plugin, you can create hero section for the WordPress website. This is basically a slider plugin. In one of the previous videos, I have shown you how you can create a slider on your WordPress website using the free Depicter plugin. If you want to watch this video, I'll give you the link in the description box. And we are going to use the same plugin to create hero section on the WordPress website. So when you install this plugin, in the left hand panel, you will see the option Depicter. Click on it. So we are on the dashboard of the Depicter plugin. You will see the options to create slider, AI slider, pop-up, notification bar, carousel, hero section, WooCommerce product slider and the post slider. Some features are available only for the pro version. The hero section can be designed using free versions. So let's click on hero section. And you will see pre-designed templates to create hero section. Some of them are only for the pro version. You will see that this is for the pro version. This one is also for the pro version. And here in the left hand panel, you will see the option business heroes. These are some templates for the business. Then we have hero headers. If you want, you can also create hero section from the blank. You just need to click on it. You can add slides, images, text manually. In this video, I have shown you how you can create slider from the scratch manually. The hero section is nothing but the part of slider where you are going to add only one slide instead of multiple slides. Let's look for the template here. Let's click on preview and see how does this look. So this is how your hero section will look if you use this template. This is for the fashion website. If you are running fashion website, you can use this one. Let's try this one. This is available for the free version. So let's click on import. Now it is going to import the images and the videos that will be shown on the hero section, which later you can replace with your own images and videos. All right, so this is how the hero section will look. At the top, we have this title. You can change this title. You can replace this one with your own title. In the right hand panel, you will see the settings for this particular element. Then we have this button here, and these are the button settings. This is the background color of the button. You can change the background color. So it is very easy to customize the hero section. You can simply play with the settings. All the elements are like drag and drop. You can change the width or the height by just pulling the bars. All right, so you will see the changes here. If I select the button, go to option, you will see the responsive settings and link element. Here you can add the link where you want the customer or the visitor to go after clicking on the button. These are the hover settings, animation. Animation is already added to this particular button. Click on play animation and you will see the animation for all these elements on the slider. This one is image. You can change the size of the image, and this is the video. Now here you can add your own video link. You just need to replace this video link with your own video link. Now, if you want to add more elements, in the left hand panel you will see the option to add more elements. If you want to add content or the title, you can simply drag and drop it here and you can add your own title there. Then we have videos. You can add videos from YouTube, Vimeo, or you will see some stock videos that you can add on the hero section. Then we have shapes. You will see all these shapes. You can use these shapes, drag and drop here and change the color and other settings. Then icons, you can also add icons. And from the right hand panel, you can change the color of the icon. So you can see that it is very easy to customize the hero section. These are the buttons. Then we have controls and other elements. At the top, you will see the responsive mode. Currently, it is set to desktop. Click on tablet, and this is how it will look on the tablet. Click on mobile, This is how it will look on the mobile device. You can change the position later Let's make it here for the mobile device. Let's change the position for the tablet. Let's make it here. Click on play animation and you will see the animation for the tablet. Go to mobile, play the animation for the mobile devices. Once you are done with the changes, click on publish. Click on publish now. And you will see the shortcode here. You need to copy this shortcode and put it on the page where you want to show this hero section. So let's go back to WordPress. And let's go to one of the pages here. Let's go to home page. And on the home page itself, you can add the shortcode. Let's scroll down at the bottom. I just want to show you how you can use the shortcode. Here, I'm not using any page builder. If you have any page builder, you just need to look for the shortcode element, and in that you can add the shortcode. So I'm using the default Gutenberg, and here I'm going to add the shortcode. Save it and view the page. Scroll down. And here you will see the hero section. Right now it does not show the YouTube video. We will need to add the proper link for the YouTube video. All right, let's go back and let's try another layout. Let's go to Depicter again. Let's go to hero section. And this time we are going to use one of the pro templates. I do have the pro version of the Depicter plugin. Let me show you the pricing of the Depicter plugin. The pro version of the Depicter plugin will cost you only $23 per year for a single website. And in that you will get premium support, slider builder, create slider with AI, pop-up builder, notification bar, carousel builder, hero section, premium templates, premium elements. So all these features are available in the premium version. If you want it for 3 websites, it will cost you only $27 per year. And you can use the pro version on 3 different websites. If you want to buy this plugin, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So let's go back and let's log into the Depicter plugin. So in order to use the pro version, you will need to create an account on Depicter. After that, you need to log into the account and then you will be able to use the pro version on that website. All right, so I have entered the username and password and I'm logged into the Depicter account. Now we are going to use one of the pro templates to create hero section. All right, so let's scroll down. Let's try this one. Let's see how does this look. This one also looks good. Let's try this one. Let's click on import. So this one also looks good. This is an image, I guess. All right, let's click on publish and let's see how does this look on the actual website. Let's copy the shortcode. Let's go back to the home page and let's add another shortcode here. Save it. Let's go to the home page and refresh it. And this is the new hero section created using the pro template. So it is very easy to customize these hero sections. You can replace the images from the pre-designed templates and use your own images on the hero section. There are many pre-designed templates in the free version also, so you can use one of the free templates and customize them according to your website requirement. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.